I'm hugging the man of the hour here, guys. Here we are at the Bird Boot Camp this year, as well as last year, run by Chris Burnett of the Burnett Music Foundation. That's BMF for you campers. This man, guys, is the hardest working cat behind the scenes in show business in all of Kansas City. And I'm so fortunate to have known you for, I don't know, let's just say it's been over 15 years, right? And Chris, I see how passionate you are about the music, how passionate you are about education, how passionate you are about arts. Why? What gives you that passion that drives that art?
Oh my goodness, that's a difficult question. Music is regenerative in a lot of ways, as you know, being an artist yourself. And it's also the way that I found my voice and the way to contribute to my community and society. You know, growing up, we were always taught community service as well as everything. And like this Bird Boot Camp, we're talking about me, but without you and everybody else on this team, Gail, Mike, you know, and all of these great instructors, it would not happen. And this is I call it a three-headed beast, yourself, me, and Clarence. And we were doing this when you guys asked me to administratively take this over because you're both so busy. And then you let me do it the way that I would do it. I think it's come out to be a pretty good one-day immersion with all of us working together.
Well, I think what's great about it, Chris, is that you have woven into this the notion of how it takes to do what we all do. And so we've had a chance to meet one of your main sponsors, host, Gail Callis and Mike Artist. And it's so important that something like this can only happen if the village gets behind it. So this is an opportunity for us to not only thank our sponsors, but encourage others to come on and become sponsors. Anything else you want to add to that?
Well, basically, I want to add, we can't leave out the campers because another unique opportunity we have here is all generations of jazz are interacting, and how the music is transmitted generation to generation is because people from our generation sharing with the younger generations. And a lot of times that doesn't happen. You get your silos. And I walked in on the first clinic where Dr. Mike Parkinson was working at the top group with more experienced players. And he was just telling them what for. That isn't right. And those kids play well, and they're probably always told that they sound good. He wasn't degrading them. He was telling them out of love. That's not how this is done. This sucks done. This is what you need to correct. And then you'll have it. And that's refreshing. And in this type of immersion program, a one-day thing, you're not going to get what you get in a jazz camp or 2 weeks or something like this. That isn't the point of it. The point of it is to create a hunger and connect them to their legacy. Everybody here in Kansas City is connected to Charlie Parker. If you're playing jazz and you're from Kansas City and you don't know Charlie Parker, you need to come correct and know Bird, right?
Well, you're providing a platform, a vehicle for people to come correct. And thank you, Chris, for all the great work you're doing.
Thank you.
Many more years, Bird.